This is how you make fluffy slime. First, open your PVA glue and pour it into your mixing container. Once done, put your choice of paint or food coloring into the slime and start mixing with your spoon or spatula. Once the color has been evenly mixed, you can open your shaving cream and spray it into the mixing container. After you've put your desired amount of shaving cream into the mixing container, mix the shaving cream into the colored glue solution. After mixing, you can now start putting in your activator. When pouring the activator into the slime, it is best to do so in small quantities to prevent over-activating. Once you start pouring the activator, start mixing and you'll be able to see the slime starting to clump together. Keep adding activator in small increments until the slime stops sticking to the sides of your mixing bowl. Once this has been achieved, take the slime out and start kneading it with your hands. If you need to, you can add more activator to make the slime less sticky. Slime is for everyone to enjoy. It can help promote mindfulness. So the next time that you ever feel stressed, try stretching it out with your new slimes.